Hey there, foodies! Today, I want to talk about the unexpected benefits of cooking without oil. First off, did you know that no oil cooking can actually help you lose weight? By cutting out added fats, you're reducing the overall calorie content of your meals, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. And not only that, but cooking without oil can also improve the health of your heart. Oil is high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. By using alternative cooking methods like steaming or grilling, you can protect your heart and keep it strong. So next time you're in the kitchen, why not try cooking without oil? Not only will you feel better physically, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. Remember, delicious food doesn't always have to come with a side of oil. Happy cooking, everyone! Hey, beauties! Are you ready to take your makeup game to the next level? Today, I'm sharing the top makeup techniques for consistent success in this ultimate guide. First up, always start with a clean canvas. Make sure to cleanse and moisturize your face before applying any makeup. This will ensure a smooth and flawless finish every time. Next, let's talk about blending. Whether it's foundation, eyeshadow, or blush, blending is key to a seamless and natural look. Use gentle circular motions to blend out any harsh lines and create a soft, diffused effect. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and products to find what works best for you. With dedication and a little bit of patience, you'll be on your way to consistent makeup success in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, embrace your inner artist and let your natural beauty shine through. You've got this, gorgeous. Lipstick sparkles.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you some easy tips to boost your confidence and enhance your natural beauty. First and foremost, take care of yourself from the inside out. Make sure to nourish your body with healthy foods and stay hydrated. A healthy body equals a healthy mind, and a healthy mind equals confidence. Next, embrace your unique features and highlight them with makeup or skincare products that make you feel your best. Whether it's a bold lip color or a glowing skin routine, find what makes you feel confident and rock it. Remember, true beauty comes from within. So, take time to love yourself, practice self-care, and surround yourself with positive energy. Confidence is contagious, and when you feel good about yourself, it shows. Uplifting ending sentence. Believe in yourself, embrace your beauty, and let your confidence shine bright. You've got this, gorgeous. Sparkling heart. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I wanted to chat with you about breaking beauty myths to improve your self-esteem. Firstly, let's talk about embracing your natural beauty. Society bombards us with images of perfection that are often unattainable. Remember, beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. It's time to celebrate what makes you unique and special. Secondly, let's debunk the myth that makeup is necessary for beauty. While makeup can be a fun way to enhance your features, true beauty shines from within. Focus on nourishing your skin, staying hydrated, and leading a healthy lifestyle to bring out your natural glow. In conclusion, by challenging society's beauty norms and embracing your authentic self, you can boost your self-esteem and feel more confident in your own skin. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are. Embrace your flaws, own your uniqueness, and shine bright, beautiful souls. Uplifting ending sentence. You are enough, just as you are. Embrace your true beauty and let your light shine.
Hey there beauties, are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Well, I've got you covered with 5 quick tips to break those bad habits for better beauty sleep. First things first, put your phone away at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light from screens can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle, so give yourself some screen-free time to unwind. Next up, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Whether it's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle yoga, find activities that help you wind down and signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in some blackout curtains, a comfortable mattress, and soothing white noise